Brought to you by Four Seasons Ford Lincoln Mercury, located just north of the Wex on Busy 131.
Hello and thanks for logging on to this TV Cadillac News Minute. I'm Eric Witilla. Well, First Night 2008 offered a wide variety of activities for people of all ages. Here are some of the sights and sounds from just a few of the many activities held on December 31st.
We had a huge crowd here today for the picture. I'd estimate that it's the largest crowd we've had so far.
It's a fun event. We have people obviously that have been in every one that we've had, all 8 of them.
When we're done here with the picture, people will move downtown. There are lots of activities downtown, a little more adult-oriented, meaning the music entertainment. As we move over to the high school for the afternoon activities, there are a lot more children's activities over there.
We have a petting zoo going on with the young people, the kids in the auxiliary gym. We have the dance center performance going on at 3 o'clock, which is always fun to watch the kids show you what they learned in ballet or tap.
Oh, we always have a good time out here.
I'm having a blast. It's just a great experience.